Hey, this is Vince, and I'm coming to you today from our Rue Magazine model home down in Serenbe, which is in the city of Chattahoochee Hills, about 40 minutes south of Atlanta. And we are having another open house, but not just a regular open house. It is a builder open house. And another one of our homes is just 2 doors down that we're just finishing up. I would love to invite you, your friends, whoever would like to come down to walk the homes, see all the cool details we've put in these homes, and have a chance to talk with me about your project, what you might be working on, what you got coming up, any questions you have. Nothing's off the table. If you want to know what things cost, I'll walk you through that, from the whole house all the way through to just minute details. Not only that, as I would love to have you down, and while we're talking, we'll have a beer. Zephyr has donated a kegerator with some awesome Tropicalia beer, and I would love to have a beer with you and discuss all the big plans you have for your home and your project. Come on down.